Yo, it's 1932 in Australia, right? Humans out here thinking they're big brain, but little did they know they're about to get cloned. Problem: giant emus. Birds bigger than your uncle after Thanksgiving. Munching crops like it's an old uncanny buffet, so the humans sly, confident, like, chill. We got guns, soldiers, strategy, we're good. Spoiler, nope. Emus roll up like, oh, sweetie, you really thought this was your flick? Feathers flying, legs moving, straight savage. First attack. Humans fire machine guns. Emus scatter. Humans hype themselves up. Big mistake, self-clap moment. Second attack. Emus zigzag. Dodge bullets like Fortnite pros. Humans sweating bullets. Literally. Reports say one human said, "I didn't sign up for this chaos." Another yelled, faster than my wife. Weeks go by. Humans try fancy tactics. Mounted units. Traps. Emu's not having it. But literally trolling the army. Humans finally admit defeat. Yes, they got rushed by birds. Nature's savage flex. Emus 1, humans 0. Fun fact: Army spent thousands of dollars, ammo everywhere, and the birds still pulled up undefeated. Meanwhile, farmers shaking their heads like, why didn't we just get a gun? Emus living rent-free in their heads. Moral of the story: don't underestimate the OG feathered assassins. Legs strong, attitude stronger. Also, humans. Sometimes your biggest enemy isn't another army. It's birds with no chill.